A squid eating dough in a polyethylene bag is vast and bulbous. Got me? Good morning. It be Wednesday, August 7, 2024. Feeling cooler. Let's get your Cincinnati weather report. We go over here to weather window. Hello, monkey. Hello, owl. And we look up. Okay, come back over and tell you that right now in Queen City, it's 73 degrees Fahrenheit, kind of cloudy, and 23 degrees centigrade. You know, sometime me like to listen to strange music. Captain Beefheart's album, Trout Mask Replica, does the trick. You ever listen to it? What song you like? Mostly sunny today, little cooler, high round 84 degrees. Partly cloudy tonight, with low near 66. You watch out for falling octofish and have a good day. It's the blimp, Frank, the blimp. Watch out for the blimp.